Thing to play hooky today, Jim.
Yes.
Nice, isn't it? Nice day to be out on the lake, not only for humans, but animals too. Take a look. Fishing today. Not with a fishing rod, but with a beak. Oh, that's beautiful. Watch this.
Is he about to dive down and do his thing?
Right on Lake Austin, right below our TV tower today. You already got the fish?
Got it. I see it. Oh, well, dinner time.
It was in its little beak. Isn't that neat? You can see Lake Austin there lower. Look at that. It's lower to allow the cold temperatures this January to kill off that invasive weed. And it looks like there's been some success and will continue to be. Coming cold front. Going to bring us more cold air next week. You're looking at my blog on KXAN.com. Read about not only the weekend rain, but what we're expecting next week with this next bout of Arctic air coming our way. It's right there under the weather tab, the weather blog. All right, here's a look outside right now at our 360 tower camera view, which just looks spectacular today. Sunny. Temperatures right now in the area in the 60s after seeing highs very near 70, 67 in the city. At 8 o'clock tonight, we're down to about 55, so once the sun goes down, the air is pretty dry. We drop real quickly. By 10 o'clock at 47 degrees, and probably headed into the 30s again tonight. So the dry air in January makes cold mornings always, but can also turn out to be some pleasant afternoons, and that's what we've seen today. These are current readings. Everybody in the 60s from the western hill country all the way over to the coastal plains there in Fayette County, 68 in LaGrange. In Austin, it's 67, and our skies are mostly clear, 69 degrees out at the airport with that mostly clear sky and that very dry air with 21% relative humidity. North-northeast wind at Mabry at 7 and north-northwest at 7 out at the airport currently. Sunset at 6:04 tonight. We were afraid the cedar count would go high today or back into the high category, and it did. Mold up a little bit too at 688. Mold may stay fairly steady tomorrow, but cedar likely to remain in the high category. Cedar trees like this, when the sun's out and turns out warm, a little breezy, that cedar pollen gets going. Up and down I-35 from the Rio Grande to beyond Oklahoma City, temperatures in the 60s. Same thing along the coast. Same thing in most of West Texas, 59 degrees in Amarillo right now. Skies, as you can see, mostly clear and sunny across the state. You can see some clouds approaching from the west, though. This is that little upper-level storm we've been tracking for the last 2 days. It is still headed our way and is still on a collision course with our weekend. Here's how the storm will track. The upper-level wind chart showing you the actual upper-level low there in the shaded areas, tracking slowly toward Texas. By Saturday evening, still sitting off to the west of us. When it's in that position, that's when we begin to see the south wind carry in the moisture. We see light rain begin. I think it's going to be out of here, though, by early Sunday. And if we're right on this timing, Sunday afternoon could turn out to be a quite nice day. Around the country, that latest snowstorm, you heard about it earlier in the newscast. It's winding down a little bit in the northeast, but they've got another little disturbance there moving across the Ohio Valley. Could bring them another little shot of it. They're sick of. They've had a snowstorm about every 5 days since the middle of December. Well, the next wave of cold air coming here, you're going to see in the 7-day forecast, but it's not anytime soon. So let's enjoy this. It will be a little cold tonight. Readings up back into the 30s, most places above freezing. But tomorrow, very close to, if not above, 70 degrees. I think we get to 72 in Austin tomorrow. 39, skies mostly clear tonight. Some increasing high clouds from the Pacific tomorrow. Let's go 72 in Austin, a great kickoff to the weekend. Now, the temperature's still mild this weekend. Saturday, a little rain, about a 50% chance. I don't think it's going to be an all-day rain like we had 2 Saturdays ago. And then Sunday morning, maybe a lingering shower. Monday, a shower possible. And then on Tuesday, the front gets here. Temperatures drop during the day. A cold rain, we hope. Some computer models bring some snow and ice very near the area on Tuesday. We'll be sure to track this one for you.
Glad